Okay, so today we're going to be installing a cord to a keystone, and then we're going to be testing that cord on a tester. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we want to take about 1 inch off of this wire, so about right here. Okay, so now that we've got our inch off, we're going to take our 4 wires. We're going to split them up. And then we're going to match them up with the 568B. So I'm going to do that off camera, but then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, so now that we have our wires installed into the correct corresponding colors and the type B configuration, we're going to go ahead and take our handy dandy punch tool, make sure that the cut part is on the outside and not on the inside. And this is going to push and cut off that wire, the excess wire. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, push it down into it, and we'll hear an audible click, and then that's how we know it's in there. So we're just gonna do that all the way around to each one. Boom, 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 boom. Be right back. Okay, so now that it's all punched in, we can just go ahead and take these off. My cutter tool didn't exactly do a good job at taking them off, but it made them very close to coming off. All you gotta do is just play with them a little bit. Just twist them up. Whew, did an awesome job. Awful. Awful, awful. I'm sure that was the scissors. It's all the same. I'll just trim them. Okay. So now we got all that put down. And we can put our cover on now. I want to make sure that the rear is facing towards the rear of the wire and the front is facing towards the front of the wire. Push that down, and there we go. Now you've got yourself a nice little keystone. Okay, so now on the other side, what we're going to do is we're going to make it a type B configuration. We're just going to start cutting it off and putting it on the, like we would any other type of B. Boom. Separate the wires, put the wires in the clip, crimp it, and you're good to go. Now, if you don't remember how to install a type B wiring configuration, if you are lucky enough to have these on your on your crimping tool, it'd be great. If you don't, you can go watch my other video that I have already posted on how to make a straight through cable and repair cable for a type B configuration. Let's go ahead and put this on in here, get them all lined up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have our type B end on and we have our keystone on, we're going to put them together. I'm going to wait patiently, find the other cord that we needed, straight cable. I'm going to take that straight cable that we made before, insert it into here. I'm going to take the other end and insert it into the bottom portion of this. Then we're going to take the top port, and we'll put it in here, and we'll run the test and see if it works. We have a miswire. This might actually be the wrong cord, so give me 1 second. Okay, so that was indeed the wrong cable. This is the right straight cable. Put that in there. Put that in there, run that test again, and we're good. See? It's not too hard. As long as you're following the color codes, it's very easy. Alright, see you back on the next video, guys.